Run Broadlink app. Keep in mind your phone needs to connect to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi as Broadlink hub. In the Broadlink app, select Add Device. If you are on the same network as Broadlink hub, the app will automatically find the hub. Select the discovered hub. Configure the hub to connect to the same 2.4 GHz network your phone is connected to. When your hub is added to the app, use it to add subdevices such as your roller blind. When adding your roller blinds as subdevices, select I can't find my brand. Now we need to instruct the Broadlink hub to learn our blind remote. Please note that your remote needs to be already paired with blind motor on the same channel Broadlink is trying to learn. In order to be accurate, we select the Broadlink hub to discover the radio frequency of our remote control. When frequency is discovered, start learning the remote buttons. Press and hold the remote up button for half a second, then release it. The hub will assign it to the on button. After the signal is detected, app asks you to test the button by pressing and holding it down for a second. Please note that if the blind has already reached the upper limit, pressing the on button on the app won't do anything. Try to move it down with the remote before testing the app. Now select the off button to learn. Press and hold the remote down button for half a second, then release it. Please note that during testing, if the blind is already in the fully closed, lowered position, pressing the down button in the app will not cause any movement. Use the up button on the remote control to raise the blind slightly first, then test the down button in the app. Repeat the same learning process for stop button. To test the stop button in the app, first use the up or down button on the remote control to move the blind, then press the stop button in the app to stop it. Well done, you have now configured your first blind motor in the Broadlink hub. You can repeat it for your other blind motors. Now you can create routines to schedule your blinds to open or close automatically. Please follow the on-screen instructions to set them up. Great job, you're all set. Your blinds will now open or close automatically according to the routines you've scheduled.